And the question is, what section of the maturity model do you see as being highly important but most widely missing in enterprises today? So I'll look at Kaveh maybe for that.
I think the work and the workforce.
Yes.
Yeah,
I think that's because it's the hardest, and
Yes.
it's often viewed as, this is still viewed as a technology problem.
Yep.
At least that's my observation.
But Ipek,
Yeah.
to build on
Yeah.
Kaveh's point, it's a cultural problem also. So when you talk about workforce and people, you're talking about changing the culture as well.
So if I may amplify what was just said there, all organizations are going to have access to the best AI out there.
That's right.
So if you think by just enabling that capability inside your organization, you're going to be able to offer differentiated products and services, you're missing the point.
Yeah.
So it is the people that are going to help.
Yes.
So it's their ideas, their creativity, their approach, their strategy. So back to where we started and how you opened, Ipek, it's what can your people do with this capability? You are integrating that capability within your organization, but then how do you unlock that, what your people can do with